Okay guys, hello guys, this is the second batch of this project. The first one we did for two pieces. This one is total of four pieces, 1000 kBE for the synchronizing. And this one having a Mecc alternator, and this one is also having a Pandaros speed controller. So now we were doing the synchronizing for both of these two generator, and we have also here the 8016 Deep C for our control module. So this one is a little bit difficulties for calibrating for the voltage and the the correspond of our voltage. So we will try our best so we can do it now for the synchronizing. I will show you also the rest of it, what the rest of our preparations and the calibrations for the voltage. And while for now we're going to prepare for our uh, oil and coolant, battery connections, configurations, program, and after that we're going to do the voltage adjustment and speed adjustment for our last batch of synchronizing. So let's start. Okay, so now I'm connecting our MSA cable. This one is our generator number one, and we have here our um, generator number 2. So this is our terminal block for our FEC connections for our communications, and the rest we're going to connect the power cabling for the load bank after this, and then I will do the configurations also for our deep sea module. Okay, so now guys, I'm doing the configurations for our generator number 1. So I am already almost done for our configurations, and I will do the second one after this. So now I'm connected in the generator number 2. Supposedly this one is generator number 4 because this one is total 4 pieces, so that one is number 3 and this one is number 4. So I'm also doing now the configurations for this, then I will do the rest of the settings and the important things we need to do. So now we take a look with our alternator connections. For the AVR, this one is DR1, and this one is for now it is connected as a single phase connection for our sensing. So since we are doing this one as a synchronizing, I will try to change this one to a 3-piece sensing in order to make balanced connections and the voltage sensing to make it good sensing feedback for our synchronizing. So I connect here 2 cables, 2 wires as well. So I connected from our AVR. So since this one having already a neutral and the line, so we have only 2 wires connected in order to have a 3-piece sensing. So here is our final look for our AVR connections, which is now become a 3-piece sensing, and we remove all also the rest of the link which is not necessary, and these are the last connections that we need to do. So just follow this one if you need it. Okay, so same as here also we need a modification for the wiring. So this one is our generator number 3. So we need our wiring modifications, same as the generator number 4 also. Should be same connections. So I will start the connections, so I will show you once it is done. So now our power cabling is ready, and it is connected to our load bank already, and it is also connected to our generator number 3. So it is connected. So our remaining balance is to do the configurations of the Pandaros or the speed controller. Okay, so now we're going to start. So now I'm losing the cover so I can open the Pandaros, and we can make the configuration as well. So this is how inside of our Pandaros. This is inline, so this one is only one. So if this one is B type, this one is 2. This one is Pandaros, only one. So now I'm going to do the configurations. I connect the wire for our communication. Now I'm connected. So I'm just connect this one to our PC, so we can start to our communications, so we can start also doing the configurations. Now I'm going to open the applications. So, just like that. So once it is communicating, we can start our communication. So meaning it's not communicating for now. Let's see what will happen and what is the problem. So let's check if there is a power supply. Once you're done modifying all the configuration that you need, just click this one and write store the parameters, so it will write all your configurations. So we are done. So now we're going to configure the other one also. So we can start after this and try to calibrate our voltage and whatever the frequency. So we need to calibrate that. So I'm trying to do the configuration first for all. So same as your module, your speed controller, so you need to do it that one by one, then adjusts the rest of the calibrations. So same as our generator number 4, we need to do the configurations and our configurations for our Pandaros. So we need to configure for the synchronizing purposes only. Okay, now I'm done for configuration for the 2. So I need to remove now the connections, and I'm trying to start this generator and calibrate the voltage. Okay, so now I'm going to start this one, this 4th generator, and let's see what are the alarms are, so we can fix it. And if no alarms, we're going to start and calibrate for the voltage and start calibrate for the speed. First attempt. Again, start. have an alarm for oil pressure low, and we have also the loading voltage. So means loading voltage is not yet adjusted, that's why we have some alarm this one. And the oil pressure, I will check what is the problem. Let's start again. So let's see if the oil pressure still come back, because the time is on the lost connections with our earth connections and or the body connections for our generator. So I'll start back. So now we have only one alarm, 1/1. So we have the loading voltage. So now we need to adjust the voltage. So meaning to say the oil pressure low is fixed already due to our lost connection for the body connections. So now we're going to start and adjust the voltage from here. So now you can start now and prepare yourself for the connections. It's very hot. Yeah. So just prepare myself from here. So that is now here. So be careful with the live bars. So start again. So done already for the calibration for the generator number 4. So number 3 is our next. So we're going to start the same procedure, adjust the voltage, check the alarms if there is alarm, and we're going to adjust also the voltage and the frequency. And then if any alarms is appear, we need to fix first so we can proceed to our steps for adjustment. Okay, so now we're going to start the generator number 3, crank first for power up. Okay, so we need to put the relay for our fuel bed. Adjust dito our nominal voltage in order to fix this alarm. Okay, now so we are ready. We're going to start this one manual sync and check if there any problem occur, and then we will fix that. So we will try to sync these two for the manual synchronizing. So let's start generator and see the circulating current. dust and collect those things. So in order to fix this part,